right, fourth grade. Today we are going to be making the backgrounds for our snowy penguins. So we're gonna add our snow to our background so then next class we can come and put our penguins on top. So you're gonna have a blue piece of paper. You will have a big brush and a little brush and white paint. That's all we need today. So what you're gonna do to start is you are going to take your big brush and not quite halfway up your paper, because this would be about halfway. I'm going to do a little bit lower than that. I am going to paint my paper. So see how this is about halfway? I did it a little bit lower than that, and I'm going to paint that whole bottom part white. Now this part you're going to want to do quickly because you don't want it to dry before you have a chance to do the next step. So put a nice thick layer of paint on there. Then the reason you want to do it quickly is before it dries, you're going to use the back side. So here's my paintbrush. I'm going to use the back side of my paintbrush to scratch some swirly designs into my snow right here. Make it look like there's some swirly snow. All right, once you've finished that, then you can get your smaller paintbrush and you're gonna add snow to the top of your paper. So there's two different ways that I like to do snowflakes. I like to make them where you kind of make some intersecting lines. So first I make an X, and then I make another X on top, and then I add little V lines to those lines to make them look like little snowflakes. And I do every other one. So if you can see, I put two little V lines on this one and one V line on this one, two V lines, then one V line, two V lines, then one, two, then one. So this snowflake will be like really close up, and that's why you can see so much detail of it. And I'm gonna make another one over here. Then I also like to add smaller little dots of snowflakes because they're further in the distance, and that's why they just look like little dots. All right, friends, so this is all we're gonna do today because we need this part to dry before we do our next step. So I'm gonna put this on the drying rack, put my paint brushes in the green bucket, and I am done for today, and we'll do the next step next time.